battery, 9720 Blackberry screen replacement. I was looking on internet, I couldn't find anything, so I'm making a video now to upload it onto YouTube or any other thing. You hold it for me. Must be in here. First we're going to remove the battery. T6. Open all the screws. Positive. There's a pause button. Once you have opened all the screws with the T6, gently pull up the back cover. Usually people do it with those plastic tools, but I rather like to do it with my hands, because then I know that how much force I'm putting on it. It's very simple. Just remove the back cover, lift it up. Just be careful on this corner, there is a touch here, touch connector. Once it is removed, there is a touch thingy, and then there is your clip for this LCD. Pull your board up gently, and you can take a tweezer or anything to just simply pull up your, just make a little bit, use a little bit of hot air to, for the glue to be, just that sticky thingy to be removed. And you can just pull it off, and there's your screen gone. Now you can put a new screen and close the phone.